Hello everyone, this is Rose and today I will be showing you my DIY nail polish kit from Paint Polish. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. This DIY nail polish kit is available on Shopee, so I will leave the link below on my description box so you guys make sure to check it out. Paint Polish DIY kit comes with 2 plastic mixing cups, 2 empty bottles with wide paddle brush, 4 stainless steel mixing bowls, 2 per bottle, and 2 adjustable DIY ring, with 2 glass cabachon gems for the ring, and 5 free regular nail polish base that contains 22 ml. And it also comes with 1 nail polish thinner or a solvent, and 1 pair of disposable wooden chopstick. And it also comes with 5 organic pigments, which is black, blue, white, red, and yellow. And you can also request for a special effects like glitter, shimmer, glow in the dark, magnetic, whatever you want, but it is sold separately. So before you start the DIY nail polish, make sure to wear a face mask. And next is prepare the mixing cups and the pigments. Pour regular nail polish base to the mixing cup and then add the nail polish pigment color that you like. You can choose any color you want, or you can also mix any colors to make the color that you wanted. So I picked the color red, blue, and black, as I want to make kinda like a galaxy color. So I will put red and blue first. And then mix it as fast as you can to prevent the nail polish from drying. And then I will add black because I want it to be darker. So here's the tips on mixing the nail polish. You add black if you want it to be darker. You add white if you want it to be more opaque, but do not add too much as it can affect the special effects of the nail polish. So I forgot to mention at the beginning of this video that this nail polish kit comes with a fake nails where you can swatch your DIY nail polish. So I'm gonna add a little bit of red because I want it to have a little bit of touch of violet. As we all know, blue plus red is equals to violet. So this is the color that I like. And now I'm gonna add the special effects, which is the glitters. And then mix it again. Next is add 2 drops of nail polish thinner. This will make the nail polish less thick and clumpy and smooth to use. Mixing it again. And then transfer it in the bottle. And it's done, and this is what it looks like. So you can see the glitters inside the bottle. Now I'm gonna make the DIY adjustable ring. This is really cool, guys, because I never had it before that there's a ring comes with a nail polish and you can actually match it with the nail polish that you were wearing. So first, apply a thin layer of clear nail polish to the glass cabachon gem. And then apply your DIY nail polish. And then set it aside and let it dry. So now I will be swatching my DIY nail polish. So start with the first coat. And now apply the second coat. And then apply the top coat. So this is what it looks like. So let's go back to the ring and finish it. So apply just a little bit of glue. And then stick it together, and that's it. So the DIY ring is done, and this is what it looks like. It is so cool, and it is a good addition to match our nail polish. So this one, in the ring, if you notice, the color is lighter than my nails because I only put one coat of nail polish on the ring. So this DIY ring is adjustable. You can adjust it to your size. And this is my first DIY nail polish. So next is I will make a DIY glow-in-the-dark nail polish. So this is the paddle brush. It is super easy to use. It's like one stroke goes a long way. And this is the glow-in-the-dark pigment. So this time I will try to mix it inside the bottle. So first is I'm gonna make a DIY funnel to make for the pigment to go inside the bottle. So I'm gonna pour the pigments into the funnel to get it inside the bottle. And then pour the base lacquer to the plastic cups and then transfer it to the bottle. It is not advisable to make the nail polish this way because it takes a while to mix it well. So stick with the first method that I have showed you. But if you run out of mixing cups, this would be the alternative. And Unroll the bottle between palms and then add the thinner. Roll again. Or you can also mix it with a chopstick. It takes a while to mix it this way, guys, so stick with the first method I showed you. And it's done. So this is what it looks like. And now I'm gonna do the DIY glow-in-the-dark adjustable ring. So first, apply a clear nail polish. And then apply your DIY glow-in-the-dark nail polish. Let it dry. So I applied white nail polish on my nails. And then now I'm gonna be swatching my DIY glow-in-the-dark nail polish. So first coat. Anyway guys, this white nail polish that you see on my nails, I also made it out of this DIY nail kit, but I will show you that on a different video. So here is what it looks like, the first coat. And now I'm gonna apply the second coat. So as you see, it is very sheer, but you can add white color pigments to make it opaque. I just choose not to add white pigment so I can see the glow in the dark effect, because if you added too much white pigment, it can affect the special effects of the nail polish. So this is what it looks like after 2 coats. So now let's try it on the dark. So this is what it looks like in the dark. So it is super nice. You could really see the glow in the dark effect. It's really beautiful and very light, like you have a light on. It's super nice. So again guys, this product is now available on Shopee. So check the link below on my description box. So lights out and lights on. Lights out and on. Out and on. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of glue on the glass crystal for the DIY ring, and then stick it together, and then it's finished. So like I said earlier, this ring is adjustable, so you could adjust it to your finger size ring. This ring make it so fancy. So this is what it looks like guys. This is a glow in the dark nail polish. And that's it everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.